guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Hilal 2. I'm joined by Wayne. Exhaustivo. I just wanna give a shout out to the Sundowns fans. They came in numbers today to support the team. I'm one of the fans, I get. But then I don't know why I came here. You know why when I left my house, I told my woman, I'm like, we're going there for a draw. Whether 0-0, 1-1 or 2-2 like we saw today, I was not sure. But then I knew that get draw. Kaduso. Now I can understand us as a Kaduso. Sure. Even if you check the interview, I don't understand as a Kaduso. But then what I can comment into a Kaduso, key defense. Sure. We do defend. Attacking you now, Hashem. I don't understand why Shalulilo was not on the bench. Or on the starting lineup. I don't understand why Zwane was not on the starting lineup or on the bench. I don't understand why Mkhulise was not on the starting lineup. I saw him on the bench. I don't understand why, because we saw him controlling that thing. My last interview, I told you that Mkhulise, Shushan and Piano, he was the conductor. He showed that come Monday when we were playing against OB to college. To understand the fact that he gave that young boy Sibia who got a man of the match game time today. Why Asafim Mkhulise? Chance. Why Asafim Mkhulise? Chance. So, and then again, as supporters, we might fault Bargemang Kadus, but then the players also need to take responsibility. I'm gonna start with Rowan Williams. Rowan, you know, Rowan is my number one. But then I don't remember the last time Rowan Williams a dive at the ball. Or save or whatever, a diver. Le have no reacora, at least there was no Joe Damano or Abian. Wabana saw. Don't go down. Like Babetabiango near post. But Wabana number 7 Wala Hilal is my man of the match. But then Rowan Babetabiango near post. As number one, Mzanzi's number 1. And also Africa's number 1, and also number 9 in the world. To understand that, to understand the stats, Steve. Yo, I'm not one I'm not one to disadvantage other, to talk bad about other players, but then Mutiba. Mutiba, you see that you are not gelling in. Our robot. Mutiba robot. You see when they brought in this other new striker. Sure. Leon. Sense of agency. Like Joe Wantwara. Agituru Iralanga Karinas. Maybe Ohovets or something. I don't know. Injury. But then that's what we need. That's what Reina Sarifangyon. But then at least the Damano Arefa, but then Arizur why Asatomi because debut high Okoril. Why Asatomi? Danko Masandawana. And I just wanna give shout out to the Scoopy crew.
What is that?
It's the Scoop crew. Baba Opelang Lena Lintil Lebeletse game. From first minute. No, wait. Yeah, okay. It's fine. Why do I real train? We rallying behind the boys from the first minute until the last.
Thank you.